Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how you can achieve a national level quiz competition certificate of Python for free. So for that you just need to go to a link which is given into a description box. Once you open a link, you will see a Google form which is from the Sigma Institute of Engineering, Vadodara, Gujarat. So this form is nothing but the national level quiz on a Python programming, on which you need to register your mail ID with name and the mobile number. So you can see there are questions which are available on the form. So each question have 2 points. So the points is nothing but the marks which are available for that question. So there are total 15 questions and you need to solve the questions to pass the exam. So what are the questions? Like, what will be the output of the below Python code tuple? You just need to give the answers to these codes. So these are the simple codes, one line codes, which will have output and you just need to check that output. And there are some theoretical question also, not much but few are there. So like this, in data science, which of the Python libraries are most popular? Pandas is the one. So you can just check and give the answer. So I'll go to the answer sheet directly. I have submitted the course and or the quiz, and what you can see answers to all the question. These are the same questions which were available in the quiz, and you just need to check and answer the question. So this is the first question. For that, answer is C. The second question, it is D. For third question, it is A. For fourth question, it is A. For fifth, it is A. For sixth, it is A. Even if you just look at the code and you know the basic Python, you will be able to answer this question. So you can see all the questions are there. You can just either use these answers or you can give the quiz as possible to you. And what will be the output? What will be the output of the Python code? What is the invalid statement? Then the value of expression. So all these are questions which are available, and every time you open the form the question will be same. There won't be any change in the question. So you can just answer the questions and get your certification for this. So that's it for the video. Thank you.